Hello everyone, this is my CS50 final project, which is a website called icontacts. In this website, you can keep your contact easily with the ability of deleting them and editing them. Well, let's start it. As you see, we have two options here, register and login. If this is the first time, you can register, but I'm going to use login like this. I'm going to write the username and the password. Login. As you see, you haven't any contacts yet. Okay, I want to add contacts by clicking for add contacts. I'm going to add contact name and contact phone number like this. Add. As you see, this is the contact name and contact phone. Okay, what if I want to add many of contacts together once? I have this feature, upload contacts. I'm going to choose file here. This is the CSV file downloaded from Gmail. I'm going to open it, upload. As you see, many of contacts uploaded together once. Also, I can edit any of these contacts by clicking here, edit. I'm going to edit the name like this, edit the phone also. Going to apply. As you see, it was edited. You can also delete any of these contacts by clicking here, delete. The contact was deleted. I also have the feature of change my password. I can change my password by typing the current password and new password here. And finally, log out. It was my CS50 final project. Thank you for listening.